What's going on, everyone? Extreme Jordan here, coming to you guys today with yet another great installation video from our good friends at LockerDown. Have provided us their digital eye lock safe for this brand new 2022 Ford Raptor. This same safe also works on between the 21 and 22 Ford F-150, which is similar to the interior on this Raptor here, as well as it works on the 2022 Ford Super Duty. So without further ado, follow me and let's do this installation video. Alright guys, so for this easy installation on this 2022 Ford Raptor, we got LockerDown's digital eye lock safe that they provided with us here today for this install. It's a digital touch keypad lock combination, very nice thick steel, powder coated. What's great is all these newer model vehicles now have those USBs for extra charging ports or whatever you use for USB wise. So on the back they provide an extension cord so you don't lose that, so you can still make it easy access, and they have this little opening toggle thing here so you can now have your USB on top, so everything's protected. So without further ado, let's do this nice easy install. All right guys, so we went ahead and took the liberty of doing the prep work on this center console here. So we did the masking tape on the inner center console part here, as well as exterior portions of it, just to make sure we don't make any scratches or nicks when we do this install here. Like I said before, it has a tight fitment on these Fords, so we got to make sure that we protect everything. So I want to go ahead and show you guys, before I do the install, what tools are required to do this install, as well as, you know, kind of show you the ins and outs of the safe that they provide from the contents of the kit. So like I said before, this is their digital eye lock safe. This is the top portion of the safe. Underneath it here, you're going to see on the left and right side, you're going to see some threaded ends here. What those are going to be used for is to help secure down this safe, which they provide two mounting brackets, one for each side. You'll see they have an indention here with some big holes here. What you're going to do is you're going to actually interlock the safe. They line up just perfectly, just like that, and they provide 4 13mm bolts to lock that down, and you're going to use a ratchet wrench for that tight spot there when you do it. And then down below here you see this 90-degree angle edge, rounded edge here. That's going to be touching, when you do the install, the bottom portion of the safe, which they also provide 4 self-tapping screws, which you're going to need a little miniature screwdriver or a little drill, which I have a drill here, to lock that down, as well as to fully secure the safe properly and complete the install. So without further ado, let's do this install, and then let me just show you guys real quick as well. This is the baggie right here, with provided with the 4 bolts and the 4 self-tapping screws. And then we're going to use the 13mm ratchet wrench, and then I have my handy dandy little drill here, and we're going to use self-tapping screws. So let's go ahead and do this install. First things first, for this install we need to get a grip on this thing, so when we drop it in. So on the instructions they give you a general combination to unlock the safe. So it's 1 through 8, so we're going to go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, you're going to hear a beep. Turn the knob to open position. Opens, is spring loaded, so it's going to come up pretty quick, so make sure you grab the thing. And we're going to install it this way with the actual door open. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this in, and then come back to you guys. So one moment, okay? All right, so well, first things first, like I said, it's open, so we're going to keep it semi-cracked, having it open. You want to go in back first, and then it'll sink down, and then we're going to pull up on it once the safe is open like this. So so take it in at an angle, back in first. Make sure the USB cord doesn't get snagged on anything. The center console is still open, just like that. We're going to leave it just right there. Next process of it is we're going to grab it from the lid in the front, and we're going to pull up, and then we're going to install those side brackets. So 1 second as I grab that. Hold on 1 second. So both sides are pretty universal here. They're pretty much exact similar. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift up on this. We'll come back. All right guys, so now we have the safe top portion of it dropped in the center console here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to grab the sides here. Like I said before, this is going to go on the bottom, this is going to go on the top and lock with those threads. So we're going to pick up the safe. Okay, and while holding that in place, you're going to bring these on the sides. You're going to look in here or get a feel for them. find those. You're going to, I'm going to put the plate in, just like that. Got one in. Then get the other side. Put this in. Now you can do this either way. You can put these in like I am right now, or you can do one side at a time with hand tightening only. Those 13mm bolts I told you guys about. So okay, there we go. Now see, I don't have to hold it anymore and it's sitting in place. Now the kit that they provide, like I said, there are four self-tapping screws and there are four 13mm bolts here. We're going to start by doing the bolts. So we're going to get those guys and we're going to hand tighten them down as tight as we possibly can. You get your finger here. There's two on each side. There's one. There's two. There's three. And there's four here. Okay. Now I'm going to tighten it down with this 13mm ratchet wrench, tighten the sides down, and then we're going to move forward with the four self-tapping screws that go straight down. Or another option, because I see here they have holes in the sides, you can either go on the sides or down, whichever way you want. So I'm going to personally do them on the sides here because it's just an easier way to angle it and screw them in. So I'm going to do them on the sides. So for my install, make sure I have it to a tight position, and then tighten this thing down. Okay. That's one side completely tightened. Okay. Go to this one. Side 3, 4. Just double checking. Make sure I tighten these good. Nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten because you'll break them, of course. Or even worse, strip them, which we don't want that. So there's that. Now I'm using my handy dandy little screwdriver drill here. The angle drive on it. Some people don't have this, which is fine. You can use a hand tool. Better to use a drill because it just makes it really quick. There's the four self-tapping screws here. I'm going to do two on each side. And that will completely secure our safe here. So do that. There you go. Okay. Simple as that. That. Two more, and this bad boy is fully locked down and secured. And last one. Gotta find the hole that is darker in here. All right, and there you have it, guys. So completely secured now, all locked down. We're good to go now. So center console is completely done. Of course, I'm gonna strip the tape here in a second, but I just want to let you guys know that this install is fully complete here. For programming purposes for this iLock safe here, what we're gonna do is you're going to go to their instructions, and you're going to type in 1 through 8, which is their pre-programmed code. You're going to press C, which stands for clear, and that'll give you the opportunity to put in up to an 8-digit code. You don't have to do 8 digits, but up to an 8-digit code, and press OK. Once you press OK, it's going to beep telling you that it was programmed, and then you can go ahead and from here on out put your personal combination in and you're good to go. So that's it.
All right, guys, so that does it here for this easy installation video on this 2022 Ford Raptor. I'd like to thank our great friends at LockerDown USA for providing that beautiful iLock digital safe with that easy install. Again, super great to lock down those personal belongings, or if you're an avid gun owner, lock that down as well. So thank you guys so much for watching my install videos as always and supporting me. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like more of my content from Extreme Jordan, as well as follows our shop page, Extreme Off-Road Performance. Make sure you turn on those notifications. And again, thanks so much for watching. Take care, guys.